Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. Since I made 5 months now on the 10th of this month, I wanted to do another close-up video for you guys. Like I said in the very first close-up video that I did, I wanted it to be a monthly thing so you guys can see how much locks change over time and how much they can change even within just a month. After I did this last retwist, I noticed that my hair has definitely been changing. I've been getting a little bit more length, even though it's still shrinking up a bit. It's still knotting up. I feel like it's mainly just my ends now that need to lock up, and that's pretty much it. Yes, I still have a lot of frizz going on and flyaways, but that's expected and that's completely normal. So I'm just gonna get right into this close-up for you guys. I don't want to waste any time, so let's get started. Actually, before I get started, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you probably already know if you've been following me for a while, but I don't think I ever made it known on YouTube to my subscribers. But thanks to you guys, I was able to get a new car in July. I'm only 20 years old. At the time I was 19 because my birthday just passed, but I'm only 20 years old. I paid for this car by myself. I paid for the insurance by myself. I did it all by myself, and that is truly thanks to you guys. This channel has grown so much within a short amount of time, and I can only thank you guys. It's beyond amazing, and I'm beyond appreciative for you guys. So thank you, and let's get into this video now. So to do this close-up, since I have the shells in my hair, I don't want my hair sticking to each other and just getting in my way and being annoying, so I'm just gonna show you one half at a time. The ones in the back are most definitely locking much faster. Even the ends are locking much faster, mainly because I don't really touch those ones in the back. I leave them alone for the most part, and they're also much smaller too than the ones go towards the center of my head, at the top of my head. Even though a lot of them are the same size, like as far as like the box, just because of where it is placed throughout my head, it varies in size. But the pattern, the 2-strand twist pattern, is pretty much gone. It's really only my ends that are still curly. The ones up top are still pretty thick, but I've noticed that they've slimmed down a little bit more. They've compacted more. You can still see the pattern a little bit. You can feel it. You can more so feel the pattern rather than see it. So that's why a lot of people were saying in one of my previous videos that my 2-strand twist pattern is pretty much gone now, but when you are actually touching it, you can still feel like the indent where the twist was. But I don't mind that. I know that's probably not going to be like that forever, so that's not really a big deal or anything to me. But they're coming along so well, and I'm so proud of myself, guys, because my very first set only lasted 5 months. Not even, barely 5 months before I combed them out. My second set lasted like a month, and now here we are. I love this set so much. I think it's obvious that I love this set because I stuck with this set. I haven't had to combine any. I haven't had to do anything but just let it be. So I'm really excited because I just wanted to leave my hair alone, you know? I didn't want to keep messing with it. I know I shouldn't have pulled it out that way, but I did. So on to the next side. Some of them are a bit wavy curly because I did have twists in, so that's the only reason why some of them look like that. If I didn't, then they probably would look a bit more straight. This is the shortest one that I have. The one that has shrunk up the most next to this one. But as you guys can see, I try not to put the shells all the way at the end because my ends are simply not ready for that. So I try to just put it more towards the thicker part, or the more dense part of my lock where I know it's actually gonna hold. So the ones that fell out probably were just too close to the end. This one is still a big boy. I don't know if that one's gonna change much anytime soon, but years from now, it'll probably be much smaller than that. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. That's what the length is looking like. That is my 5 month my 5 month close up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of the times when we don't document our journeys, we kind of get caught up and think that our hair is not doing anything, it's not growing, it's not maturing, but in reality it is doing all that much faster than what we really think. So I encourage all of you, oh, that looks kind of crazy. I encourage all of you to document your journeys, take pictures, take videos, whatever you're comfortable with, so you guys can see the growth and the maturity that your hair is going through and what's taking place. If you're looking at your hair every day, it's going to be very hard to actually see a difference. I kept thinking that my hair just was not getting longer until I started looking more at pictures from a few months ago or when I first started this set, and I'm like, wow, like my hair definitely has had some hang time, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. But like you guys know, or you should know if you don't know, I really want my locks to be down to my ass. That's just what I want. That's what I see, that's what I envision. That is the goal, is to have some long ass locks. So I'm gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make it happen, period. That's it. Purr. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to reach me, you know where to find me. You can just comment below if you want to. A lot of you guys ask me things in my DMs. Please bear with me if you are sending me stuff in my Instagram DMs, because a lot of you guys send me stuff in my DMs, and it's very hard to get to all of you in a decent amount of time. I am trying to figure out my life just like everyone else, so please, please, please bear with me. And I think that is it. Yeah, I have these next 2 weeks off from work, so I'm really hoping that I can get these videos up and going for you guys. I'm actually considering quitting my part-time job and doing YouTube full-time because this is really what I love to do, and I make decent money doing it, so why not, right? Plus I hate my job and my job hates me, but that's a whole different story. So let me wrap this video up now. Thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for the support, the love, the encouraging words, everything. You guys are amazing, and I could not ask for a better support group and a better following here on YouTube. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.